In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check whether Smartsheet Bridge is available for your plan and decide if you actually need it. To get started, open the Smartsheet pricing page or the page that highlights advanced capabilities. This is usually the fastest way to understand what features are available across different plan levels. As you look through the site, pay close attention to the sections related to workflow, automation, or premium capabilities, since Bridge is typically presented as a more advanced tool rather than a basic feature. Next, look specifically for Smartsheet Bridge under Advanced Workflow or Automation Tools. Depending on how the website is organized, it may appear in a premium add-on section, an enterprise feature area, or a page focused on advanced integrations and process automation. Take your time here, because feature names and categories can sometimes be easy to miss if you scan too quickly. Once you find it, check whether Bridge is included in your current plan. This is important because not every Smartsheet subscription includes the same capabilities. If pricing or feature comparison tables are available, review them carefully and see whether Bridge is listed as included, optional, or available only through a higher tier plan. If the wording is unclear, that usually means you should verify access before assuming it is already part of your subscription. After that, ask your Smartsheet admin whether your organization already has access. In many companies, advanced tools like Bridge may already be enabled at the account level, even if individual users are not aware of it. Your admin can usually confirm whether it is part of your company's environment and whether you have permission to use it. If you cannot find clear pricing or public details, contact Smartsheet Sales. Some advanced products are not always fully priced on the website, especially when they are sold as enterprise options or custom add-ons. Reaching out directly can help you get the most accurate answer for your account and use case. It's also a good idea to compare Bridge with regular Smartsheet automation. Standard automation is often enough for common tasks like alerts, approvals, reminders, and status updates. Bridge is more appropriate when you need more advanced logic, cross-system workflows, or more complex automation behavior. Finally, use Bridge only if your workflow truly requires advanced automation. If regular Smartsheet automation already handles your process well, there may be no need to add extra complexity. Choosing the right tool depends on how advanced your workflow needs to be, so focus on matching the feature set to the actual problem you're trying to solve.